Alright, so I don't know where to start. I don't know how to say this. But today mark my last day of freedom. Tomorrow is June 1st and I have been sentenced to 30 days in the gym. Yeah, that's it. I've been sentenced to 30 days in the gym. I've decided to challenge myself in going to the gym for the entire 30 days of June. I've been wanting to go back to the gym for a very, very, very long time, and tomorrow may I start the gym. You wanna come with me? The lighting has to look good, though, not true? Mad. What up? If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as yet, hit the button below and subscribe. Zine. Alright, so just come from the gym. Reason why I didn't record at the gym because the gym was super packed. A lot of people was there, and didn't want to record anybody working out or make anybody feel uncomfortable holding the camera in the gym as well. So I just did my little workout, did couple sets well of just upper body work, a little leg workout, did some walking, and yeah, body feel really, really good for the first day back into the gym. So as the journey continues with working out on a day-to-day basis for the entire month of June, I will show you my progress. When I went on the scale over there, I was weighing about 162 pounds. So I'm going to confirm on the scale inside the house to see how much I actually weigh. Do not look at my ugly clothes, but according to the scale here, I'm about 162 pounds. Ever since I come back from the gym today, well, this morning, I feel really, really, really lazy. And I know said this did go happen because every time I take a break from the gym and then start back again, then I feel really burnt out. Muscles them, really tired. And just going back to the gym and hitting it for the first day is going to, beat up my muscle just a little bit. But I'm not give up still. 29 more days to go. And what I'm gonna do is, track my progress, see how much weight I'm gonna gain as well, because as you can see on the scale, I am at 162 pounds. The most I ever weighed was 165 pounds. I try to max that by the end of June and try to go 170 pounds if I can. The reason why I start go back to gym is because when I was in Jamaica, I used to go to the gym regular, and after I got a job, then the gym did kind of stop because I had a job where the schedule was like up and down, night shifts, early morning shifts, so that kind of beat up my body just a little bit. But I'm back in the gym now because I have a little free time and I go use it to my advantage, and just get like a healthy kickstart to a healthy living, because most people these days tend to eat and just sit down, gain a whole heap of weight, not fit. So what I'm gonna do is just go to the gym on a regular basis and get that athletic body going. For everybody who I wonder about the hair and the beard, don't worry, I soon cut it. It's just a little phase me I go through. I kinda love it still, but soon come back on track, you see it. Alright, so I just took a bath and I kinda wanted to time the sunset to catch the sunset real good, because I love to see the sunset at the end of the day. The sunset is one of the most beautiful things that you can look at the end of the day. Even brought up my camera here to get some nice pictures of the sunset, but when I came out here, this is what I see. The sun is like being blocked by those palm trees / coconut trees, but I'm not gonna hate on them coconut tree that still are palm tree because I love palm tree to the fullest. I'm gonna walk back over to the house right about now and go in the backyard to see if I can catch the view around there. So see you around there soon, okay? So almost every single evening the sunset is always bright and you know looking really great. And the one evening we decide to come out to come take some pictures of the sunset. This is what I get. Can you believe it? Well, the day has been good so far and get my little workout going. Besides, I'm gonna start challenge myself to new things for tomorrow's video. Make sure y'all go and see this because tomorrow's video I'm going to do some crazy food challenge. Well, some crazy food combination challenge, and basically I'm not even going to tell you what it's going to be about. You just have to tune into the next vlog tomorrow. Subscribe so you can get the notification, and I will see you in the next video.